Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we found this free sake tasting. I was just at Lot Radio. I saw this on the Instagram. I was like, oh, you guys know, I love my sake. And my soju. So, let's see what's going on here. Oh, and we have, what's going on here?
Just a sake tasting.
What we have here?
So we have 3 sakes by a brewery called Aiko Fuji Brewery. Founded in Yamagata in 1778.
Ooh, oh.
So 13 generations of the same family.
We are in the game,
sake.
everybody. So, first tasting.
So you're starting with Aiko Fuji Banryu. Banryu means 10,000 ways. They call it the 10,000 ways because they say there are 10,000 ways to make sake and 10,000 ways to enjoy that sake in particular.
That's
It's a
true.
good place to start sake in general. This is what I give
Very
to people.
smooth.
Yeah, this is what I give to people that are new to drinking sake. I work for the importer, represent 10 small breweries all in Japan.
Mm-hmm.
And this, from all the sakes in our portfolio, I think is the best to start with because it's smooth, right?
Correct.
Super approachable. I would call it simple because it's not super complex, but
Right.
great everyday drinker, you know? It
I
pairs
agree.
with everything from a white fish sashimi to, I don't know, ice cream, right? Across the street
Well,
there.
I'm not a big fan of ice cream. I'm a big fan of sake.
How about I'm gonna go get some Greek food after this. This would be good with like souvlaki,
Correct.
right?
Yeah. I always tell my audience to have sake with food because
Yeah.
it always goes well
Yeah,
sometimes.
for sure.
Especially if you know sake very well
Yeah.
and you know what food to blend with it, it goes very good with your palate.
Well, I've even had so we had a place in the city that had a Michelin star, a musket room. They're New Zealand cuisine, right? And the traditionally hard pairings with wine are artichokes and asparagus. And so for their spring pairing, they had a white asparagus dish that they were using one of our namazakes or unpasteurized sakes with, just because sake can really fill those holes where other like
Correct.
wines can fall short a little bit.
It can.
Yeah.
Wines do for sure.
Yeah.
That's why I prefer sake.
Yeah, me too. Speaking my language.
Yeah.
So
and now what we having?
Next you're having, this is a namachozo.
Chocho.
Yeah, nama means unpasteurized. Namachozo means once pasteurized. Most sakes are pasteurized twice. This one's only pasteurized once. This is a Jumai Ginjo, which means it's going to be a little fruitier as well. So it's going to be fruitier and it's going to have a much brighter acidity too.
All right.
Kanpai.
Kanpai.
Enjoy.
It is fruity, yeah.
And you see how it's a little more wine-like, right? The acidity. So
Okay, yeah. That after taste there, ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
I feel that.
And you said that you promote drinking sake with food. One of the acids that's produced by sake making is an acid called glutamine. Glutamine is one of the building blocks for MSG,
Correct.
which is, makes
And
everything
we all
taste
love
better.
MSG on
Yeah,
this
it makes
channel.
everything taste better.
Yeah. We even add a little bit like mushroom seasoning.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
also
well,
has
yeah,
similar-
umami richness. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, it's like natural. So it's like natural MSG, right?
ooh,
Yeah.
look at
And this next one is origarami nagori. So nagori is cloudy sake, and this is an origarami nagori. Ori is the sediment that settles to the bottom of the tank.
correct.
So usually they just rack from higher. Here they purposefully mix that back in, so you get a very fine cloudiness on this.
Different from the sake you guys normally see me drink, where the powder, the cloudiness is always at the bottom. You have to shake it all the time.
Well, this one you have to shake a little bit too,
Yeah.
but whereas a lot of the nagori sake is like the cloudiness. like,
Correct.
it comes up to
It
here. This is
doesn't
just a
automatically
little
fall
tiny
down,
bit.
so
Yeah.
you still stay settled into the mixture.
Yeah, and you'll notice a light effervescence on this one too. Not quite like a sparkling wine, but you'll like a little fuzz. You'll feel.
All right, everyone. So, kanpai.
How you doing, sir?
Good. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Hey, good. Just got to give people a good understanding about sake.
Yeah, it's a good setup here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was at Lot Radio, and then I saw this on Instagram.
I was
Awesome.
walking home from the grocery
So-
store here.
What do you think?
These are very good. All 3 are very good. All 3 are just like I would recommend.
Yeah. Do you have
Definitely.
a favorite?
Actually, I do. I would go with the first one
Yeah.
because I'm very familiar with it. It's
Yeah.
very common. I
Yeah.
even recommend it to newbies.
Yeah.
They're just trying to dabble into sake.
Yeah.
I don't give them dry sake because that could be overpowering sometimes. That's not
Sometimes,
very
yeah.
settling.
Yeah.
So I give them something more palate, more easygoing, smooth.
Yeah.
So they can enjoy the ride and enjoy the entertainment and the food and
For sure.
what we're doing at the moment. So yeah,
sure.
very excellent. And what's your name, by the way?
My name is Josh.
Josh Panda.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Josh. And tag you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.